Okay, I am bored of lemon chicken, and at the last minute I decided to make something that I used to make a lot in the 1990s from my American Heart Association cookbook. I don't have the dry mustard, and I did some research. I'm going to substitute Dijon. I've actually kind of modified this recipe. Right now, let's go ahead and I don't have any fresh onions, but I've got some frozen. This will work because this is for the sauce. So the recipe is going to call for I'm going to put 2 tablespoons chopped onion. We'll just throw this in here. By the time it's through cooking, it'll work. I like the flavor of onion, so I'm going to put that in there. Yeah, that's about. Put a little bit more. Okay, that's about right. That'll give it a nice flavor. Alright, so I just put in about 2 tablespoons chopped onion. Now, let's put in about a tablespoon of water. About a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Make sure I'm here. Am I in the camera? Yeah, okay. Tablespoon of red wine vinegar. The recipe actually calls for vinegar, but I find red wine tastes better. Okay. There we go. Tablespoon of red wine. I have some more. 2 tablespoons of peanut oil is the best, but canola is a good close substitute. I don't want to get too. Actually, I think this will be fine. Yeah. Trying not to be fat city here, but I am going to take the skin off the chicken, so. However, yeah, I think I'm good here. I'm just bored of lemon chicken. I want to do something different, you know. Okay. Let's go ahead and, I could take, I should have the garbage can here, you know. Yeah, let me go get that. Yeah. Bring the garbage can over here. This isn't the first time I've done this. I'm just bored of lemon chicken right now. Nothing wrong with my lemon chicken, but I'm bored of it. Okay. And 2 tablespoons. Oh, 1/3 cup ketchup. Yeah, I'm not a big ketchup person, but that would be perfect for this recipe. 1/3 cup ketchup. Let's see if it'll squeeze on out. Ketchup will give this a really good flavor. Ha! This gives me an excuse to use up my ketchup. Yeah. So I just put ketchup in here. Like I said, I'm bored of lemon chicken. Okay. Yeah. Now, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell this is going to be a good combination here. And 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. Yeah, let's get the Dijon. I'm going to have to go buy me some more. I'm going to have to, I think what I'm going to have to do here, hold on a minute. I love Dijon mustard. I use it in a lot of recipes. Let's get a teaspoon in here, just scoop some out. No, I need to get something smaller. Wait, hold on a minute. Ah. This is what you call making do. I knew I was going to be a little low on this ingredient, so I wasn't sure I could do it, but okay. And Dijon, see, the recipe actually calls for dry mustard, and dry mustard is a little more pungent than I think you need to put a little bit more. It's a little bit more pungent than plain mustard, so I decided to substitute with, since I don't have dry mustard, I'm using Dijon. I love Dijon mustard, by the way. I use it a lot. As you can see, I'm just about out. Huh. Okay. I can already tell this is going to be good. Ha ha ha. Okay, so let's see, we got everything. Water. I'll bring the camera over here and let you look at this. Let's get all this delicious Dijon mustard out of here. Yeah. Okay. Here's what's in here. I'm just going to kind of swish it around here. Alright, so we got water, vinegar, oil, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, onion, some black pepper. Let me see. I think I'll put a little bit of black pepper in there. It'll make it even better. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. Okay. I love the Trader Joe's black pepper. Just a little bit of that in there. Yeah, that'll give it a nice flavor. And we're going to bring this on over to the stove. Hold on. Okay. Let's go ahead and simmer this. Let's see. Simmer 10 minutes. Okay. Let's just go ahead and that's what it looks like. So I've got the go ahead and mix everything together. Okay, so while this is simmering for 10 minutes, I'm going to go over there and take the skins off my chicken thighs. Actually, the recipe doesn't say to take the skins off, but I do because I'm on a bit of a diet here. If you want to leave the skins on, that'll work too, you know. Let's do something here. Hold on. That smells good. I said I was bored of lemon chicken, so I'm going to do something different. Taking them, I want to get all that good mustard in here. Okay, let's keep it. It's going to be good. I can tell already. Right. Alrighty, let me turn this off for now while I get the chicken ready. Okay, let's dry the chicken up a bit. I took the skins off, so I probably don't need to dry it too much because it's kind of dry already because I took the skins off, right? But I think this will help the barbecue sauce to kind of stick to it better, so we'll do that. Okay, let me go get the barbecue sauce. There's the sauce. We're going to pour half of it over the chicken. That's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, hold on just a minute. Okay, let's kind of like give this a bit of a flip here. Kind of coat it all over the place. Yeah. Yep. Do this here. This was actually a recipe for a whole chicken, and I'm modifying it for chicken thighs because I love chicken thighs. Okay, let's make sure we got it all over it. Yeah. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this in a 350 oven and cook it uncovered for about an hour. Okay, now we're going to baste it. Like every 15 minutes I'm going to pull it out. It's kind of hard to do this with a camera, and I don't want to burn myself. Oh my goodness. Hold on a minute. Let me move the camera. Okay, it's kind of hard to film this and cook at the same time. So, but I'm just letting you know, about every 15 minutes I'm going to be pulling the chicken out and basting it with the sauce, and I'll be doing this for about an hour. Yeah. So it'll have a delicious coating, right? Yeah. So as you can see, I'm just kind of basting it using the sauce that's in this pan. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it back in the oven, and I'll be doing this like every 15 minutes, so, and I'll film next when we're done. I'll be doing this for like a whole hour, okay? Okay, there it is. It looks good. I've got the rest of my dinner waiting for me. Okay, I'm sure that it'll be good usually. I've made this before, so. Delicious. Okay, I'll be posting this at my cooking channel. In a world of secrets where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart pure and strong. With the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah. She's the first, a passionate crusader.